The President Group of Maryam Abacha American Universities, Professor Adamu Abubakar Gwarzo, has described Khalifa Isiaka Rabiu University KHAIRUN as one of the private universities that has a bright future in the country. Professor Gwarzo made the observation when some top management staff of the university, led by its Vice-Chancellor Professor Abdulrashid Garba, paid him a courtesy visit on Tuesday. He said the new university, which is lucky to have in place the necessary structures and facilities, would undoubtedly be a successful university in the country. He said with the appointment of Professor Garba as the pioneer VC, with his wealth of experience in the academia, he would guide the university to the path of excellence. He, however, urged the university to be a member of the Association of African Private Universities AAPU in view of the various benefits to be derived from the association. He said the association, which was established to promote networking and experience sharing in teaching and learning among member institutions, is also committed to raising the quality of higher education in Africa. Professor Gwarzo further advised the management of the university on the need for establishing linkages with universities and other organizations across the world. Earlier in his remark, Professor Garba said the management of KHAIRUN was in MAAUN to extend hand of friendship as well as seek support, advice and guidance from the university. We are here to seek your support, advice and guidance to enable us begin our academic programs on a clean slate, he said. He said the university, which is expected to commence academic activities between December 2023 and January 2024, will take off with 3 faculties and 16 academic programs. He thanked the university management for their hospitality and willingness to support KHAIRUN to achieve academic excellence. The management staff present at the occasion were the President of MAAUN, Professor Dr. Muhammad Israr, Vice President Administration Dr. Habib Awais Abubakar, Director Academic Planning and Quality Assurance Dr. Noura Ayaro, among others. KHAIRUN is one of the private universities that was recently issued operating license in the National Universities Commission and was named after the late father of business mogul and president of Boa Group of Companies.